we'll guide you through how to turn and make a single player world into a multiplayer server in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've gone and got a world and you want to go and start playing with your friends in it. So of course you can go and pause the game, click on open to LAN, but that's just for LAN. You want other people to go and join it from different networks, etc. So to go and do this, we need to go and use an app. What you'd first of all need to do though is open up your server to LAN. So click open to LAN and we can press start LAN world. Now what you want to do is go and pause the game and open up your web browser like so. To do this, we're going to use something called playit.gg. Now, just before we get any further as well, I want to give a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. Apex Hosting is really useful because in this guide, we are going to be hosting it off our own computer. With Apex, they'll host it for you. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. So if you're interested, I'll go and put a link down below in the comments and in the description you can check out. They've got so many awesome features like 24/7 servers and support, so you can get the help anytime you need it, and many others. And what you can do is always go and upload your world file here and it'll then be hosted. But to go and continue, type in playit.gg like so and come to this site. Now what you need to do is go and tap on the download button like so. Scroll down and you can get the Windows installer and it'll go and download. Now what you need to do is go and open up your file explorer and you can come straight to your downloads. And you want to go and run the playit.gg here. So all we need to do is go through the setup wizard. You need to install what it tells you to. Now what you need to do is go and run playit.gg. So come to the bottom and you can go and type it in like so, and it should go and launch. And shortly you should go and see this link here, which says visit link to setup. So all you need to do is go and hold Control and then click on it, and it should go and open up in your browser. Here we are. Now what you can do is go and sign in, but most likely you don't have an account, so you can click on create an account. After you've made your account, you should see this page here. You need to wait for Playit to connect to their servers, and now we can go and create a tunnel. So click there. For the region, you can use the free one, or you can go and choose a premium one, but you'll need to pay for that. And we can then choose the tunnel type. We want to use Minecraft Java. Make sure enable tunnel is selected and tap on add tunnel. And now you just need to wait. Currently it's pending. And like that, it's now running. And now what you need are these two addresses here. So you can go and send the URL to people or the IP address and port. They can go and enter this into their Minecraft in the multiplayer and they can then go and join your world. It's that simple. If you want to go and stop them, you can just go and quit the world like so and quit playit.gg. And you can then go and start playing with people. It's that simple. And so you've made your single player multiplayer. My favorite way of doing this though is by using Apex, as then the server is 24/7 and I don't have to have my computer running, which I really like. So if you're interested, go and check out Apex. As I said, the links are down below. And if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a lot more Minecraft videos on the channel and more to come, so make sure you stay tuned. I look forward to being able to help you again in the future.